Have you ever heard a nursery rhyme so strange that it feels like a dream? Or maybe a coded message from the past. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. Sounds playful, right? But tonight, let's peel back the laughter and uncover the dark mystery hiding behind Hey Diddle Diddle. This rhyme first appeared in England in the 1700s, a time when people didn't just write stories for fun. They hid secrets, satire, and rebellion inside songs, especially ones meant for children. So, what do these strange images really mean? Let's start with the cat and the fiddle. In old folklore, the cat often symbolized cleverness or deception, while the fiddle was linked to temptation, chaos, and even the devil. Some historians believe this line hints at a trickster figure, playing music to distract society from something far more serious. Now, the most impossible moment. The cow jumped over the moon. Cows don't jump, and they definitely don't jump over the moon. In ancient symbolism, the moon represented order, time, and authority. A cow leaping over it could symbolize breaking the rules or mocking power itself, almost like saying even the impossible can rebel. Then comes the little dog laughing. Why is the dog laughing? In political satire of the time, dogs often represented the common people, watching the powerful make mistakes and laughing from the shadows. And finally, the dish ran away with the spoon, objects coming alive, running away together. Some believe this is a metaphor for forbidden love, while others say it represents servants stealing from their masters, a quiet escape from opposition. So maybe Hey Diddle Diddle isn't just nonsense. Maybe it's a nursery rhyme about rebellion, chaos, and freedom, hidden in a child's song so no one would suspect a thing. Next time you hear it, listen closely, because sometimes the sweetest rhymes carry the darkest secrets. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.